This handout here should look familiar. We're basically building upon the standards that we used for the first essay, but this one is longer. So we see that reflected here on the standards. So yes, word count plays a role in your grade. Don't skimp on word count. Don't skimp on word count. As well, you have to practice the skills of eliminating wordiness. You don't just want to ramble around and keep going on and on and on. You don't want that to happen. So please be careful with the word count. You'll notice quotes are important for a successful paper. Remember that we don't want to use extended quotes. Okay, so that'd be an example of a difference between excellent use, good use, or average use of quotes. Okay, now you'll notice unsuccessful. What happens here? A lack of quotes. So if you don't have enough, then yeah, and you don't want to end up on this end of the scale. And of course, when we talk about the guidelines, right? What does that refer to? So when we looked at in the previous lecture, we want to be sure to use those signal words that will alert the reader to the literary device that you're using. And remember, so if you're writing about imagery, you could say image or imagery. If you're writing about symbolism, symbolize, symbolic, represent, right? Irony, ironic, all those different signal words should be used throughout your paper. This paper should be heavily seasoned with signal words and quotes. Then remember, please proofread. You want to be a clean writer and have minimal errors in your paper. So you'll notice 4 to 5 fouls, those major errors, land you as a C paper. Then if you go over, then that would land you into paper. Don't want to be a troublesome writer. This is when your audience pays more attention to what's going wrong with grammar and mechanics, and it detracts from your idea. So please be sure to spend time proofreading. Let Microsoft Word help out. Run grammar check, run spell check, all those good tools that technology provides for us. All right, everybody. Hope you have a great time writing your essay. I'm looking forward to reading them. Until we get to meet again, be well, do good work, and keep in touch.